In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Temu items with GCash. By the end, you'll feel confident checking out on Temu and completing your purchase securely with GCash. First, open the Temu app on your phone or visit the Temu website if you prefer using a browser. Give it a moment to load on a stable internet connection. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so Temu can access your saved cart and checkout settings. It also helps to make sure your app is up to date to avoid any glitches during payment. Once you're in, head straight to your cart. You'll usually find the cart icon in the bottom menu or top corner. Take a quick moment to review what's inside. Confirm the items, variations like size or color, and the quantities. This is a good time to double-check the total, any shipping charges, and applied discounts so there are no surprises at checkout. Keeping your cart tidy reduces the chance of errors when you pay. Now, proceed to checkout and select GCash as your payment method. On the payment screen, you'll see a list of available options. Look for GCash and tap to choose it. If you don't see it right away, it might be under a section like More Methods or Other Payment Options, depending on your region. Before you continue, make sure your GCash account is active and has enough balance or available funding. Having a reliable data connection and notifications turned on will also make the authorization process smoother. Next, tap Submit Order. Temu will automatically redirect you to GCash. This may open inside the app or switch you to the GCash app or a secure web page. If you're asked to allow the redirect, tap Allow. Keep your screen awake and don't close the app while this is happening to avoid timeouts. In GCash, simply follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to log in or authenticate using your PIN, biometrics, or a one-time code. Review the payment amount and the merchant details carefully, then confirm to pay. Wait for the success message. This can take a few seconds. After confirmation, you'll be sent back to Temu where you should see an order confirmation screen. It's a good idea to save the receipt or take a quick screenshot for your records. That's it. Open Temu, go to your cart, select GCash, submit your order, and follow the GCash prompts. If you ever run into a redirect error, try again on a stronger connection and keep both apps open. Happy shopping!